Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to reset your WordPress site. First of all, you need to bring your cursor to plugins and then click on add new. And in this search box, you need to write WP reset and then click enter. And here you need to install this WP reset. I'll click on install now. And once it's installed, you need to click on activate. Once I have activated, I'll click on open WP reset tools. From here, you can take a look at what is going to happen when we do the site reset and what is going to be removed completely once you read all the information at what happens when I run any reset tools. You need to scroll down and then click on reset site. Once you click on reset site, the whole site will be reset. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.